Hi, I'm Jeffrey Anderson, Senior Lecturer at Ohio University's College of Business. In this video, we'll look at a SWOT analysis. SWOT is an acronym for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. A SWOT analysis, also known as a situational analysis, is a structured planning method that evaluates an organization's internal and external environments. In a SWOT analysis, managers evaluate their organization's strengths and weaknesses, as well as opportunities and threats in their external environments. The SWOT analysis provides information that's helpful in matching the firm's resources and capabilities to the competitive environment in which it operates. As such, it's an instrumental tool in strategy formulation and selection. The first main category in a SWOT analysis is an internal assessment of the organization. In this portion of the analysis, managers evaluate the organization's strengths and weaknesses. An organization's strengths are its resources and capabilities that can be used as a basis for developing competitive advantage. Examples of strengths include things such as patents, strong brand names, a good reputation amongst customers, cost advantages, exclusive access to high-grade natural resources, favorable access to distribution networks, and many more. The absence of certain strengths may be viewed as weaknesses. For example, each of the following may be considered a weakness: lack of patent protection, a weak brand name, a poor reputation amongst customers, a high cost structure, lack of access to the best natural resources and to key distribution channels. In the second portion of the SWOT analysis, organization managers study the external environment. These external factors include forces in an organization's specific and general environments. The external environmental analysis may reveal certain new opportunities for profit and growth. Some examples of such opportunities include an unfulfilled customer need, arrival of new technologies, loosening of regulations, and removal of international trade barriers, to name a few. Changes in the external environment may also present threats to the organization. Some examples of such threats include shifts in consumer tastes away from the company's products, the emergence of substitute products, new regulations, or increased trade barriers. Let's take a quick look at a SWOT analysis for the automobile manufacturer Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota is the world's leading automobile maker. Toyota is famous for its innovative culture. This focus on innovation has resulted in one of the highest automobile research and development spending. Toyota's brand is the world's fifth most valuable brand and the most valuable automotive brand, worth about $53 billion. The main Toyota markets are Japan, the United States, and China, where the company sells 50% of its vehicles. Toyota's brand is the fifth most valuable in the world, estimated to be worth over $40 billion. Toyota's production system promotes a philosophy of eliminating waste, which results in lower costs and better quality vehicles. Toyota is heavily invested in hybrid vehicles and is betting on the long-term future of hybrid and electric vehicles. The company produces the best-selling hybrid vehicle, Prius. Currently, Toyota offers over 30 brands of hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles. Weaknesses: Toyota's lack of technology and experience in building autonomous vehicles puts it at a disadvantage compared to competitors such as Tesla, Ford, and GM. Toyota's recall rates are very high, and this draws more negative publicity than many of its competitors. Larger and frequent recalls negatively affect the company's brand reputation and result in disappointed customers as well as fewer sales. China is the world's largest automobile market with over 25 million vehicles sold. Toyota has captured only 4.5% market share in China. The company's weak market share in China will significantly hinder its ability to grow in future sales. Opportunities. Fuel prices have been low for the last few years, but are expected to rise in the near future. Demand for hybrid and electric vehicles will grow significantly if fuel prices rise. Autonomous vehicles are the next big thing. Due to rising consumer expectations in relationship to in-car technology and the competitive nature of the industry, there is an argument to release upgraded models more frequently. Toyota is well positioned to do this. Threats. Currency rates are volatile, and the company's profits and revenue are highly dependent on fluctuating exchange rates. Toyota can't control the currency exchange rates and therefore are at risk if the Japanese yen exchange rates start to rise. Increasing government regulations is one of the key threats affecting Toyota. If Toyota incurs significant costs related to meeting laws and government regulations, their financial condition and operations may be adversely affected. The automobile industry is highly competitive, and competition is further increasing due to rapid technology changes, new entrants in the market, and saturation of the largest markets. To review, a SWOT analysis is an important strategy tool which looks at internal strengths and weaknesses of an organization and the opportunities and threats in the organization's external environment.